Croeso I fideo School Cloud Ysgol Gyfun Gymraeg Bro Edern. Yn ystod y fideo yma, rydym yn ei ddangos i chi sut i fewn gyfnodi i'r system a sut i gwneud apwyntiadau ar gyfer noson rhieni rhithiol eich plentyn. Welcome to the School Cloud instructional video. During this short video, we will explain to you how to log into the system and how to make appointments for your child's forthcoming virtual parents' evening. In due course, you will receive via link or email from the school the link to the School Cloud website for Bro Edern, which is broedern.schoolcloud.co.uk. Once you follow this link, it should bring you to the parent login portal, as you can see on the screen. Along with this link, you should have received your 8-digit parent login code. You will need to enter this code here. As you can see, you will also need to input your child's date of birth. In order to proceed, you will also need to provide your personal email address and also confirm this email address. This email address will be used to email you confirmation of the appointments you have made with the teachers once you've completed the appointments process. Once all these fields have been filled, you can then proceed to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be brought to your own personal home screen. Here you will find any evenings that are relevant to your child. For the purpose of this video, we have created a demonstration evening, and so we will use this demonstration evening to show you how you would go about making appointments for your child. Click on the evening that is relevant to your child. The next screen will ask you to choose your booking method. We advise that you use the automatic booking method. This will avoid any gaps between appointments, allowing you to move promptly from one teacher to the next. Once you've selected automatic, then you need to click next. The next page will ask you to select your availability window. This is the earliest and latest times you will be available on the evening to have appointments with the teachers. You can toggle your time by moving the bars, as you can see on the screen. Once you've selected your availability, you can then proceed to make appointments with teachers. Please bear in mind that every appointment with a teacher will last for 5 minutes, and you must ensure you've allowed sufficient time on your availability for 5 minutes with every teacher. Once it comes to selecting teachers, simply click on all your children's teachers . And click Generate Appointments. You may at this point be met with an error message, such as this red one, which says couldn't complete your appointments automatically. Either try again with different times or instead book manually. This is because there is not enough time during this window to see all the teachers. You can simply rectify this by adding a little extra time to your availability and then again clicking Generate Appointments. We have now successfully made appointments with the teachers, and they are shown on the screen in front of you. You will notice there is a timer at the top of the screen in which you have 2 minutes to confirm your appointments. If you do not confirm these appointments within 2 minutes, these appointment slots will be re-released for other parents to book. If you are happy with the appointments you have made, you can then click Accept Appointments. Your appointments have now been confirmed, and a copy of this schedule should be emailed to you shortly. You can now sign out of the system until you need to sign in again on the day of the parents' evening. On the day of the parents' evening, when you sign in, you need to go back to your home page. 1 hour before the first appointment you have booked, the Join Video Appointments tab will appear. This button will not be live until at least 1 hour before your first appointment. Once you log in, you need to click on this button. As you can see, you will be brought to a screen where you need to check your audio and video settings. Please ensure that your audio and video are enabled in order to proceed further and to get the best experience from the system. If later on during the evening you wish to disable your video, this can easily be done during the meeting itself. Once you have checked your video and audio and selected these, please proceed to video call. When you log into the system for the first time, your computer may prompt you to allow video and audio settings. Please allow these settings in order for the system to work effectively. You are now ready to start your appointments. You will see that you have a video schedule here telling you what times you are meeting what teachers and for what subjects. When you are due to enter a meeting, so we are now meant to be in a meeting with Miss Evans Welsh, you can click on the Start Appointment button. This will allow the teacher at the other end know that you are there and ready to begin the meeting. Once the teacher clicks their button, you will be able to have a conversation and see them face to face. You can also note that there is a countdown timer timing down the appointment. As I have mentioned already, each appointment lasts 5 minutes, and the system will automatically move you on to the next teacher at the end of the 5 minutes. When you move on to the next appointment, you will again need to click on the Start Video Meeting button to allow the teacher at the other end to know that you are ready to commence the meeting. During the meeting, you may, if the meeting ends early, you can hang up if you don't need to speak to the teacher any longer. If you click this button in error, you can then press the Reconnect button where you will be reconnected with the teacher. As you can see, you have less than a minute left of the meeting at the moment. When that minute time's up, you will automatically move on to the next teacher for this demonstration, Miss Gibbons-Green for RE. The system will then take you automatically through all your meetings until you have finished the evening. Once you have finished with the meeting, you can then log out and you will be returned to the parent login portal. And that concludes this instructional video. If you do have any questions, please contact your child's head of year. Diolch yn fawr am wrando.